Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find duplicate entries in Excel. Let's get started. Imagine you're working with a table filled with order numbers. Your goal is to spot if any order numbers repeat. How would you approach this? One method involves arranging the data based on the order number and manually scanning for duplicates. Let's see an easier way. Initially, let's select the data. Navigate to the Home tab, then opt for custom sorting based on the order number, perhaps in an ascending order. By doing so, you can manually spot the duplicate entries. However, this method becomes impractical for large datasets. Let's explore a quicker alternative. I'll add a new column titled Duplicate Flag. This column will assess if there are any duplicate values for a specific order number. I'll insert a formula in the cell under Duplicate Flag to check for duplications within the range. Select the cell, which is F3, type in the equal sign, and enter the COUNTIF function. Click on the cell C3 to C11, then highlight on the part indicating the cell C3 to C11 in the formula. Then press the function key and F4. For some, pressing the function key may not be necessary, depending on your keyboard type. Now you see that the cell C3 to C11 have been marked with $sign. And then the criteria is going to be cell C3. Press Enter. Once applied, you will see in column F the frequency of each order number's occurrence. Entries with a count greater than 1 signify duplications. To visually highlight these duplicates, I'll apply a color to rows where the duplicate flag is greater than 1, typically marking them in red. To do this, select all the cells, go to the Home tab, select Conditional Formatting, create a new rule, then choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula in the box, press the equal sign, select the cell F3, remove the $sign between F and 3, then enter the greater than sign and the number 1. In the previous section below, click on Format, then go to Fill tab, select Color Red. Once done, hit OK. That's it. You can then review and remove the incorrect entries. Simply delete them, and the conditional formatting will remove the color coding, indicating successful identification and removal of duplicates. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.